Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to revise the lesson souvenir. Souvenir. In last period, we have done the explanation of the text. I have given you explanation. So today we are going to revise the question answers of this lesson, the souvenir. So first question is, guess the meaning of the following words: exorbitantly, exorbitantly, and you have to write down the smaller related words that you see within these words, small words within the words orbitant. First word is exorbitantly. Exorbitantly means its meaning is excessively smaller, excessively बहुत छोटा, excessively smaller, that is exorbitantly. And the words, छोटे छोटे जो वर्ड्स है exorbitantly, ये पूरे सेंटेंस में वो लिखना है. So we have written this. Words are orbit, bit and ant. O-R-B-I-T, orbit, B-I-T, bit and A-N-T, ant. Related words. Related words are exorbitant. Exorbitant. Okay. Now second word is precautions. Precautions mean to take care beforehand. To take care beforehand. Smaller words are there: caution, cat, rat, pet, ear, action, reaction. These are the words. Precaution में इतने words है: caution, cat, rat, pet, ear, action, reaction. And related word is caution. Unauthorized. Next word is unauthorized. Unauthorized means having no authority. Having no authority. Smaller word is author, and writes, his, this, not, said. Related words are authorized, 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 authorized. Repeatedly, repeatedly. Adverb is done several times, again and again. Repeatedly means then done several times, again and again. Smaller words are repeat, pet, eat, ate, pat, rat, take, trade. Related words are repeat, repeated, enthusiastically. Enthusiastically means done in an excited and motivated manner. Very enthusiastic. Okay, some people are very enthusiastic. So enthusiastically means done in an excited and motivated manner. Smaller words are enthusiastic, thus, alley, silly, thin, and tame. And related words are enthusiast and enthusiastic and enthusiastical. Okay. So these are the word, their meaning, smaller words and related words to that particular word. Now, second, use the details given in the story and your imagination and prepare a timetable for the trip to the moon. This is the personal response question. You have to prepare a timetable, trip to the moon. Okay. Now, say whether the following statements are right or wrong. Statement ये right है कि wrong है लिखना है. So I am reading the statement. You have to just check it. We have done this. Saili was traveling in space for the first time. Wrong. Many changes had occurred on the earth in the 100 years before Saili's trip to moon. Correct. Many changes occurred. There were no old cities left on the earth. Correct. Means right. Saily's mother did not want her to go on the trip. Correct. There were no human settlements on the moon. Correct. Sally made a hasty purchase. Wrong. Sally did not understand the mistake had made. Correct. So these are the statements. Imagine you are Sally. Question number 4. Imagine you are Sally. Write your diary for every day of your trip to the moon and for the day you gave the earrings to your mother. See, imagine you are Sally. Write your diary for every day of your trip to the moon and for the day you gave the earrings to your mother. So you have to write down the diary. Discuss in the story, human settlements are mentioned but not cities or villages. Why is it so? Okay, so next question is gather more information about the following from your text, science textbook, the internet and other sources. Gravitational force. You have to write down what about the gravitational force. View of the sky when you are all or on the moon. Chandrayaan mission of India. So all this information you have to collect from the what we can say internet or other sources. You have to write down about gravitational force. You can refer science book or other reference books or internet and write down about the gravitational force. Second point is view of the sky when you are on the moon. View of the sky when you are on the moon. Okay. Now third, Chandrayaan mission of India. Third one is Chandrayaan mission of India. Okay. So this you have to write down. Now question number 7, you want to start human settlement somewhere else other than the earth in the universe. You will select a star or a planet. Why? What features supporting life will you look for? Try to find answer to such questions and make a presentation using scientific information and your imagination. Okay. Language study. Language study. See, common noun. Some noun stands for a number of person or things taken together. They are called collective nouns. Okay, they are called what? Collective nouns. See, some nouns stand for a number of persons or things taken together. They are called collective nouns. For example, class. A class of 60 students, a herd of cattle, and a flock of sheep. A team of players, a list of names. Class, a class of 60 students. Herd of cattle, बहुत सारे cattle वाले. A flock of ships. Flock. Number of ships are there. A team of players. बहुत सारे लोगों से एक टीम बनता है. Team of players. That is the collective nouns. Class, classes, herd, herds, team, teams. So collective nouns also have singular and plural form. Class, singular. Classes, plural. Herd, singular. Herds, plural. Team, singular. Teams, that is plural. Now make a collection of collective nouns. See. So here you have to make a list. Okay. And see, question number 3 say whether the following statement are right or wrong. This is very important. Okay. Again, check it. Sally was traveling in space for first time. Right. Many changes had occurred on the Earth 100 years before Sally's trip to Moon. Right. There were no old cities left on the Earth. Wrong. Sally's mother did not want her to go on the trip. Wrong. There were no human settlements on the Moon. Wrong. Sally made a hasty purchase. Right. Sally did not understand the mistake she had made. Wrong. Okay. So check carefully. First and second, right? Third, fourth, fifth is wrong. Sixth is right and seventh is wrong. Okay. So here, so these are the question answers of the lesson. The souvenir. Okay. So here we have finished this question answers. Some question answers are only personal response. You have to respond them. So meanings, right or wrong statements, and other we have written. So all the basic questions we have written. And language study, you have to only just know about the nouns, collective nouns, okay, common noun, collective noun. That's why it is given here, okay, language study. But now, what you have to do, you have to just go through the whole lesson, read the lesson, then mark the hard words, guess the meaning of the words we have done, exorbitantly, precautions, unauthorized, repeatedly, enthusiastically. Learn these words with meanings. Okay. They have to learn. So say whether the following statements are right or wrong. Okay. Understood? Okay. So if we have finished this lesson, now 2.3 Abdul became school tier. Next lesson is Abdul became school tier. So here Yes. Here we have to complete 2 lessons for the first terminal exam. Okay. See, up to great scientist. So learn yoga from animals we have done. Okay. Question answers and learn yoga from it. Now chasing the sea monster and great scientist. These two we have to cover up to the first terminal exam. Okay. So we'll do that. Only 2 are remaining. Abdul begins to quote here, how that the little busy bee. This is a poem, learn yoga from animal. This is also the lesson. So we have done this, but we are now doing revision. So we have to do revision. Okay. After this, and 2 lessons are remaining. So we'll do in the next week. So what is your homework? Your homework is guys, on of this lesson, the surveying. Revise it. Understood? So we'll stop here. Okay, bye.